A walk-in interview has been organized by Shivaji University for the post field investigator under the Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education project entitled Effectiveness of Community Engagement Supportive Programs on Rural Community Development through Teacher Education Program, sanctioned to Dr. P.S. Patankar, who is Professor and Head of Department of Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. The name of post is Field Investigator and the number of post is only one. The duration of this post is 5 months up to April 2022. The minimum qualification for this post is Master Degree in Education with minimum 55% mark for general category and 50% in case of SC or ST or physically handicapped. Age limit for open category is 38 years and age limit for reserve category is 43 years. The preference will be given to the candidate with the adequate knowledge of rural development. The fellowship for this post is Rs 15,000 per month and the interview will be held on Saturday 4 December 2021 and the interview time is 11:30 am onwards. Place of the interview is in Department of Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Interested candidates should appear for the interview along with the application on a plain paper and biodata with original certificates. Please keep in mind that no TA or DA will be paid to the candidates appearing for the interview. Thank you.